It's no secret that dogs sleep a lot. I'm not gonna lie, I may from time to time indulge in what you might call the typical 18-hour-long coma/nap accompanied by some fairly intense snoring. Sure, I may have sawed down a few forests in my time, and to the untrained eye, this may appear to be laziness or perhaps even a lack of motivation. In reality, investing like the big dogs, while it can be profitable, is actually very, boring. You see, the whole point of investing like the big dogs is to make investing so easy and take so little time that it frees you up to do the stuff you really enjoy, like chasing balls or eating the occasional tasty morsel you may randomly find on the floor. I mean, let's face it, your paws aren't going to lick themselves. If it's excitement you're seeking, you are barking up the wrong tree. For that, I highly recommend chasing squirrels or messing with cats. Both are proven winners. As for the big dogs, they want a system that is consistent, fairly predictable, and repeatable. That is what I'm going to teach you. So now, go take a long nap, and when you come back, we'll lay down some of the basics. You are now officially on your way to investing like the big dogs. Woof! Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and maybe even like this video if you're so inclined. Who's a good human? You are. Woof!